to go for what I know. I needed a Black History t-shirt for my granddaughter at the last minute. Found an old t-shirt. I had heat transfer paper that was printable heat transfer paper that you could just use your inkjet printer for. Um, I used you for different color t-shirts. You got your heat transfer papers for dark shirts, bright shirts, and for your white and light colored shirts. It generally doesn't matter which one you use on your light colored shirts, but if you're gonna use whatever you print out on a dark colored shirt, you need to use the ones for the dark colors, the heat transfer paper, printable heat transfer paper for the dark. Now I do have a Cricut machine. I do have a heat press, but I don't be feeling like doing all that. So this is totally with an iron. So it can be done with an iron. You can buy printable heat transfer paper, do it on your inkjet printer. I just took a bunch of images and made this one image. I didn't draw anything. I just took a bunch of images and made them into like this image. So you can do that. And it was, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like to waste money, and so I had printed this one too. So I put that on the back. Chai. But yeah, you can do anything you want right there at your own house. You can even start a business with your iron, your inkjet printer, and just buy your printable inkjet paper. Excuse me, printable heat transfer paper, child.